Abundant April. So this is our progress so far. We started on the 1st, which was Tuesday. We have a total of $20 invested into the stock market. And with all the tariffs and stuff like that, most of the market is red, or you will call the market being down. But no need to fear because dollar cost averaging, it will work itself out. Most people, they sell when they start seeing red, but we have to start looking at it as a way to buy stocks at a discount. Now, the first holding we have in the portfolio is Tesla. Again, this is not financial advice. This is my portfolio and what I'm doing with my portfolio. Over the week, Tesla was down 9.17%. Out of $4, I have 41 cents at a loss. So I'm down 10% on Tesla. Again, everything is discounted. Next stock in my portfolio is Google. Past week, Google has been down 6%. Out of $4, I'm at a 23-cent loss so far, or the equivalent of 5.76%. Next in my portfolio is Nvidia. On the past week, Nvidia has been down 15%. Ooh, wee. I know it looks ugly, but I look at it in a different light. So I'm down 43 cents on Nvidia out of my $4 that I have invested so far. Cool. JP Morgan Chase down 13% the past week. Oh shit, and we have a dividend. I forgot that JP Morgan has a dividend. So I have changed my settings to reinvest my dividend. And that's just what it is. So this is what I mean when I say make your money work for you. Yeah, it's only 2 cents, but I have $4 invested into it. And the 2 cents is just going to buy more shares of that particular stock. So it's hands-free. But let's go back to the holdings now. I have $4 invested into it. I'm down 9%. So I'm not mad at that. Down 39 cents out of my $4. And the last stock I have in my portfolio is Pepsi. On the past week, Pepsi was down 1%. Pepsi is one of those stocks that doesn't move a whole lot and offers you steady growth, long-term steady growth. So out of the $4, I'm down 1%, or the equivalent of about almost 7 cents. Now you see, this is one of those stocks that, like I said, it doesn't have a whole lot of movement. You know, it doesn't gain a whole lot, it doesn't lose a whole lot. So this would be good to have as one of the base core stocks in your, long-term portfolio or whatever. But yeah, that's Abundant April. And so far, I mean, it's not bad. We are down a total of 7% overall. I'm down, I should say, $1.54. I mean, I'm not mad at that. Especially when the upside potential is almost limitless. But that's going to end this week's recap. Everybody take care, stay blessed, stay elevated. I'll see you in the next one.